Hi there friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable YouTube shorts from your YouTube. Before that, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of important video. So let's start the video. Let me open my YouTube application. Nowadays lots of people complain that they are wasting lots of time in YouTube shorts. They're just scrolling and scrolling. So we are going to disable these shorts from YouTube feeds. Okay, although there is not any direct settings or any option in YouTube to disable shorts, I'm going to use a little tricks to disable shorts on YouTube. First of all, go to your YouTube settings and then go to general, then click on playback in feeds. If you see that this option is turned on, then turn off this option. Okay, then get back to YouTube feed. As you can see, there are some feeds available, so we need to remove this. In the corner of feeds, you will see 3-dot option. Click on it, then click on not interested. As you can see, this feed is removed. Like this way, remove all of these feeds. Okay. After that, get back from YouTube and close the tab and again open your YouTube. Now you can see there is not any shorts, and if you again see any shorts on your YouTube feeds, then remove all of this like this way. After a while you will never get shorts in your YouTube feeds. So friends, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.